Welcome to a quick guide on how to change the group messages tone in WhatsApp on PC with the latest update. If you're tired of the same notification sound and want a more personalized ping for each group, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to adjust. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the app can load your chats and settings correctly. Once the app is open, look to the left side of the screen where your chat list lives. On that vertical menu, you'll spot a gear icon that represents the settings hub. Click that gear icon to enter the setup area. Inside settings, you'll see a variety of options. Locate and select notifications. This section houses all the alert preferences for messages, call alerts, and more. It's organized so you can tailor sounds, vibrations, and display behavior without affecting other apps. Now, focus on group messages. This subsection is dedicated to the sounds and alerts specifically for messages coming from groups you're part of. Here you'll find the option to change the tone. Click on Tone to reveal the library of available notification sounds. You can listen to each option by selecting it, and you'll instantly hear how it would sound for group messages on your PC. Choose the tone that suits your mood or environment, be it something subtle for a quiet workspace or something louder for a bustling household. After picking a new tone, confirm your choice and exit back to the main notification screen. It's a good idea to test a change by asking a group member to ping the chat or sending yourself a quick group message if you've got enablement for test notifications. This ensures a new sound is clearly distinguishable and not too flashy or too quiet in your current setup. If you ever want to revert or try a different vibe, simply revisit the same steps: gear icon, notifications, group messages, and tone. You can switch tones as often as you like, and you'll hear the update in real time as you test. Remember, these settings are device specific. So if you use WhatsApp on another computer or your phone, the sounds can be adjusted separately. With these steps, you'll have a personalized group chat alert that fits your style and environment. Enjoy a more organized, less disruptive messaging experience and keep your conversations flowing smoothly.